Hello, students. I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves and studying properly and regularly. Today, we will study about our next grammar topic, that is kinds of sentences. We have already studied about what is a sentence. Now, we'll try to understand its kinds. There are four kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay, now you will repeat after me. Okay, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. You have to learn the spellings of all these four words. Okay, now, we will try to understand them one by one. So, first is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is also known as declarative sentence or a statement. Okay, it is a statement which says or states or declares something. It starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Okay, it is a sentence that states a fact or any universal truth. For example, Rohan is a student of Tagore Public School. So it is a fact, right? So it is an assertive sentence. The moon shines at night. It is an universal truth. So it is an assertive sentence. Clear? I am repeating again. Assertive sentence or declarative sentence is a statement which says or states or declares a fact or any universal truth. It starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Now, next, interrogative sentence. This sentence has a direct question. It asks a question. Okay, and if it is asking a question, then obviously it will end with a question mark. So, interrogative sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a question mark. Clear? It's very simple to understand this interrogative sentence, that any sentence which asks a question, then it is an interrogative sentence. For example, where are you going? Are you feeling better now? Okay, now moving forward, the third kind is imperative sentence. Okay, imperative sentence is a sentence which requests, commands, give directions, or any suggestions. I am repeating again. It requests, commands, give directions, and suggestions. Okay, it starts with the capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Clear? Now, for example, please bring me a glass of water. It's a request, so it is an imperative sentence. Do not go out of this room. It is a command, or you can say it is an order. So, this is an imperative sentence. Okay, would you please close the door? It is a polite request, so it is an imperative sentence. We should get up early. It is a suggestion. Okay, so it is an imperative sentence. So if any sentence which requests, commands, or give directions or give suggestions, that sentence is an imperative sentence and it starts with the capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Now, the last one is exclamatory sentence. It expresses a strong feeling or emotion. Okay, when I say strong feeling means a feeling of shock. Okay, a feeling of surprise. Okay, oh, the vase is broken. So that is a short feeling, surprise, you got surprised. Okay, wow, what a beautiful weather. Okay, and if I'll say what a beautiful painting it is, how fast is she running? Okay, any sentence which expresses a strong feeling is an exclamatory sentence. It starts with the capital letter and it ends with an exclamation mark. You know what is an exclamation mark? Yes. So it ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, so we have studied four kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay, assertive sentence is a statement. It starts with the capital letter and it ends with the full stop. Interrogative sentence has a direct question. It starts with the capital letter and ends with a question mark. Imperative sentence requests, commands, give directions or suggestions. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. And last is exclamatory sentence. It expresses a strong feeling or emotion. It starts with a capital letter and it ends with an exclamation mark. Okay? So you have to watch this video at least 3 to 4 times to understand the kinds of sentences properly. Okay? Then you will do the work in your notebook. You will write the definition of these kinds of sentences, you will write the examples, and you will write the exercise also in your notebook. And all the assignment stand pages, you will do all those assignment stand pages in your rough notebook. Okay, have a nice day, take care.